A beautiful marriage is not a perfect marriage. It's two people choosing to love, respect, and support each other every day, even when life becomes difficult. In a healthy marriage, couples communicate honestly and work together as a team. They celebrate each other's successes and face challenges side by side.
You want to create a realistic AI talking video without showing your face? In this tutorial you're about to watch, I'm going to show you step by step how to create AI talking video. You are going to learn how to generate an image that you can use to make it talk, okay? You're also going to learn a free AI tools that you can use to turn your image to a talking AI video. That the character and the everything and the script will rhyme together. It will come out consistent without any mistake, without any missing of any character. Okay. So if this is your first time of watching me or coming to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it for others to learn. Okay. Now follow me to my screen recorder. Let me show you step by step how you can achieve this. Also, free AI tools that you can use to achieve this. Because one of the problems most of the personal YouTube channel are facing is free AI tools they can use to generate their video. Okay, but don't worry, I'm going to show you this free AI tools I've been using since this year 2026, and it's working for me. I've been using it to generate a longer video for my personal YouTube channel. Okay, so stay with me, guys, and follow me to my screen recorder to let me show you step by step how you can create AI talking video. Okay, in case if you're a beginner, this video is for you. Watch it to the end. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, I'll be using Gemini to generate my image. Okay, the image we are going to use to make it talk whatever we want it to talk. Okay, now I'm going to go to my Gemini. Many people don't know that they can create free images with a Gemini without paying anything. Okay, now this is the interface of my Gemini. All you have to do is tap on this plus sign. Okay, when you tap on this plus sign, tap on create image. Okay, now at this time I'm going to go to my chat GPT to go and get my prompt, because I have already getting my prompt ready. Okay, the prompt that I'm going to use to generate the the photo. Okay, now this is my prompt here, guys. This is my prompt. Okay, this is my prompt. All I have to do is to copy it. Okay, if you get yours, you can copy it and paste anywhere. You can copy it and paste in your notes anywhere. Okay, I copy my prompt and copy it. Okay, now I'm going back to my Gemini app. Okay, I minimize and go back to my Gemini app. Remember, if you come here, you click on this plus sign, click on image, create image. Okay, now let's paste our prompt here. Let's go through it. A professional African man, 50 to 54 years of age, sitting confidently in a modern broadcast studios. This is my prompt. Okay, now after you paste it, you click on it and wait for it to generate our image we are going to use to make it talk. Okay, a lot of people now, guys, this is it. This is exactly what I want and what I asked chat GPT to generate for me. Okay, so all you have to do is look down here. You see this three dot line, you tap on it, you see save, you tap save, or you click on this arrow here. Okay, now guys, we are done. Okay, we are going to go to the free AI tools that we can use and make this image to talk. Okay, now before then, let's go and get the script. Came back to ChatGPT. Let me just say I need okay, let me say hi, I have a faceless YouTube channel that talk about relationship and marriage. Okay, I need a, let's say, 20 minutes script on what a beautiful marriage looks like. Okay, please. Okay, let me say I need a 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, and I say please split the script by 11 seconds each to get the total of 30 seconds script. Okay, now, okay, now we are done. You send. Okay, I'm just giving you an example because I have a faceless channel that is all about relationship and marriage. Okay, now there's a small contradiction in your request. You ask for a 30-minute script. You also say split this script by 11 seconds each to get the total of
Okay, which one do you want? A full 30-minute YouTube script about, okay, 170 narrations, okay, or a 30 seconds YouTube short script about 3 narration segments of 11 seconds, 8 years. Okay, I want number 2. Okay, now let's go. Now this is it. You know, the reason why I always ask ChatGPT to split my script is this: the AI free AI tools we are going to use, okay, we are going to use the free AI tools we are going to use can only generate the highest duration of video you can generate is 10 seconds. Okay, now I say 11 seconds because I know 11 seconds is not going to be like that's 11 seconds, and it cannot pass 11 seconds. Okay, now guys, this is it. This is it. Okay, now all you have to do is to do what? Copy it. Okay, I forgot to tell ChatGPT to that I want it to be I want the script to be narrated with a male voice, but don't worry, we are going to use it in the app we are going to use to make the image to talk. Okay, now you have to copy the first one. Sorry, all you have to do is to copy the first one. Okay, you copy the first one. Now we are going to the app we are going to use, which is Google Flow Beta. Okay, I love this app. I don't know why I love this app. It gives me what I want because they give free credit every day. Okay, now if this is the first time of using it, just go to Play Store and download it. Once you download it, open it. It's going to ask you to register. Okay, because I have already registered and this is one of my accounts. Okay, I tap on it. As you can see, 50 Google free credits. Credits refreshes daily. Okay, so by tomorrow, after I exhausted this one, by tomorrow it's going to give me another 50 credits. Okay, guys, let's go to grade our video. Okay, with the image we downloaded, you tap on this plus sign here. Okay, when you tap on it, it takes you to this interface where it asks you what do you want to make. Okay, now this is where you're going to paste that script we just copied. Okay, a beautiful marriage is not about perfect marriage. Now we are going to bring in our image by tapping on this plus sign. It gave you 3 options: capture, image, and library. If you want to capture the image that you want to make it to talk, you click here, it will bring out your camera. Okay, the images, if you tap there, it will take you directly to your gallery to pick an image. Okay, library is the images or photo you have in your library here. It's a kind of where you save your work, okay, or you save your or any picture here. Okay, so we are going to tap on image, which is going to take us to our gallery. Okay, as you can see, this is it. Okay, this is the image we download. You tap on it and click done. Now it has taken us back to this interface. Okay, you have to allow the image to load. As the image is loading, you come down here, you tap image. Okay, you tap image to select how you want your video to be. Okay, as you can see, it's still on image, so you have to tap on video because what we are doing is what we are generating video. Okay, now after you tap on video, the next thing you're gonna select is the ratio size you want it to be. Is it 16:9? As we all know, 16:9 is a YouTube long video. 9:16 is YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reel, and others, and Instagram Reels. Okay, now we are going to select this because it's a 30-second script. It's going to be short, either YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reel, or Instagram Reel, or TikTok. Okay, you are going to select 9:16. You have to leave it here. Okay, now you come here, times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4. Do you want the video to be generated twice? 2. If you want the video to generate 2, you have to type on times 2, so that after you generated it, you are going to make your choice to choose the one you want. But it's of no use because you will definitely going to choose 1. So what's the use? So I'm going to leave it on times 1, which means I want to generate 1. Okay, now you come down here. This is the seconds you want it to want your video. Okay, like I told you, remember I told just the chat GTP to give me 11-second script. Okay, now I'm going to tap on 10. Okay, even though I asked 11, but I know this time is going to accommodate it. Okay, now if you want to tap on 6 seconds, the AI is going to charge you 10 credits. Okay, you tap on 8, it's going to charge you 12 credits. You tap on 10, it's going to charge you 15 credits, which means if you have a free AI credit, 50 AI credits, and you are generating video, you generate 10 seconds video, free. Okay, which is going to give you 30 seconds video. You know, understand? Now you understand, we have multiple accounts, it's going to help you to generate more longer video. Okay, now guys, let's go and generate our video. Once you selected all that you want, the video, the ratio size, and the seconds, you tap on this place. Our video is generating, guys. Our video is generating. And now guys, I forgot to tell you to generate it using a male voice or a female voice, but don't worry because this is the first one we are generating. Let it come out, I will know the voice it came with, either a male voice or female voice. If it's a female voice, and if I'm generating the next one, I'm going to say generate, use a female voice to generate it. If it's a male voice, I'm going to ask it to generate, continue with a male voice. Okay. If you're generating your script, you have to be specific and ask ChatGPT to include the narrator voice. Either you want it a male or a female. Okay. If you forgot it there, as you're pasting as you paste your script here to generate, also include it after your script. Go down, give a space and include it, bracket. I want it in a female or male voice. Okay, and it's going to come out as you want. Now let's play our video and see what we create. Okay, now you tap on it. Okay, now let's go.
A beautiful marriage is not a perfect marriage. It's two people choosing to love, respect, and support each other every day, even when life becomes difficult.
Guys,
A beautiful marriage.
do you see how consistent it is? Everything aligned, the lips glow, everything aligned together, everything is perfect. Okay, now after you check your video and be sure that this is what you want. Okay, you long press on it, you come down here, you see download, you tap on download and look carefully, it will download and see its media downloaded successfully. Okay, it's going to your gallery to save. Okay guys, okay, this is it. If it is playing, I want to download it as well, you can come up here, this three dot here, you also say download. Okay, if you want to reuse the prompt, you see reuse up there. Okay, if you want to send it to someone, if you want to share directly to YouTube, you see it here, share to YouTube. Okay guys, okay, now this is how to create your AI talking video. Okay, if you have watched to this stage, I'm glad you did, and thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of watching my video or coming to my channel. Okay, thank you for watching and congratulations for learning these tips. Okay, because I always say this, what you don't know is bigger than you. You know, this doesn't mean that someone beside you know about it. There are plenty of things that we think is small thing that many people don't know about it. Okay, that's why I will tell you now to share this video for someone to learn this from you. Okay, as learn it from me. Thank you.